Hello, today we are going to build Qt6 using kdesrc-build. This is the relevant wiki page, community.kd.org/get involved, development more, build Qt using kdesrc-build. The chapter is for Qt6. How do we get to this page? You go to kd.org, which is the official website of the KD community, then get involved. Then you scroll to develop KDE software, find out more about becoming a KDE developer. In here, you scroll to set up a development environment using kdesrc-build. In there, there's just this link. You go there. In here, there's this chapter, set up Qt, where it says that you can install Qt6.6, which is the minimum required in order to build KDE software from source, from the Git master branch. And one of the possibilities is to install Qt6 from your Linux operating system. It's available in Arch, available in OpenSUSE Tumbleweed, available in Fedora, but not available in the Debian family of Linux operating systems. So in Debian stable, in Kubuntu 2404, which is not even released yet. This is our case. We're on Kubuntu 23.10, and here we will install Qt6.6, not from Linux operating system binary packages. There's no such thing. We can use either the Qt online installer from the official Qt website, or we're going to build Qt6 using kdesrc-build, which is what we're doing right now. This is the wiki page where we got after jumping through these intermediate wiki pages, web pages. So it says that we should install kdesrc-build as usual, and we'll need to do some adjustments. Okay, let's see where it says how to start installing kdesrc-build. This is the page that we want. So let's get a console. Okay. The first step, we should have a KD directory. We should run this block of command lines. Just a second. Before doing any of this, I needed to actually clean the existing kdesrc-build installations. So that means moving the ~kd directory away, removing the directory ~/local/share/kdesrc-build, remove the directory ~/local/state/sysadmin repo metadata, and remove the file ~.config/kdsrc-build-rc. And now we don't have any traces of kdesrc-build on my computer. We can run the commands. The second block of commands. And now we need to make sure that kdesrc-build is in our path. So echo $path ~/.local/bin as at the start of my path environment variable. We created a symbolic link from the executable kdesrc-build where it was git cloned inside of the directory ~/.local/share/kdesrc-build towards this directory, which is in my path environment variable, which is ~/.local/bin, which means that which should find kdesrc-build, and I just can run kdesrc-build without prepending any full path or apps or relative path. Okay. Next up, it says that for Linux operating systems in the Debian family, we need to enable source repositories. Let's actually do that. So that's sudo su And it says that we should look at /etc/up/sources.list. We can do a nano. Okay. And in this file should be only lines that were added by the Linux operating system installer. So I've just installed Kubuntu 23.10 in October last year when it appeared. And all of the lines that start with deb space were added by the installer. And then I have duplicated all of the lines. This line, I have duplicated it below, and I have replaced deb with deb minus src. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times, 10 times. Okay. This is what it's expected of us, that inside /etc/up/sources.list we have each of the lines that start with deb space be followed by an identical line, but which does not start with deb space, starts with deb minus src space. We did that. Then we need to run apt update in order to get the latest package metadata from the apt-deb repositories, both for the deb but also for the deb minus src lines. Okay, with that out of the way, we can run kdesrc-build initial setup. It's going to install Perl packages that are needed in order to be able to run kdesrc-build, which is a Perl program. Then it installs all of the deb packages that, if installed on my computer, will make building KDE software from source, from Git master branch, easier. So there's 3,000 of deb packages that were installed. Okay. Next up, the configuration file has been created. Let's look at it and change it a bit because we want to build Qt6. Back to the page where it says how to build Qt6. Says that in kdesrc-build rc there should be a global section. There is such a thing. There should be a branch group kf6-qt6. Here it is. And the Qt install directory should be uncommented. Let's actually create a new line. So it says Qt install dir with 2 minuses, space, tilde, kd, and I want to install it. I want to install Qt6 into the same directory as the rest of the KDE software, which is tilde/kde/usr. That's the way I prefer it. Okay, we can keep rel with debinfo. I usually change this thing to debug when I want to actually run KDE software in the debugger. And I increase the number of cores. I have 16 CPU threads, so let's go with 14. And that's it for the kdesrc-build rc file. Next up, we'll need to edit this file. Let's see if the file exists first. Okay, there's a sysadmin repo metadata and module definitions. Qt6. Okay, let's edit it with Kate. This is the default, how Qt6.ksb configuration file looks like by default. We could make some changes in here, such as not use the branch 6.6 for Qt version 6.6, but the branch for Qt 6.7. Let's keep them the changes. Let's keep the settings as they are. The install dir has been configured previously in here. Qt-install-dir, this variable. And what we need to follow is that if we bother to build Qt6 using kdesrc-build, we cannot really do much without such a Qt6 if Qt6 is not accompanied with a Qt WebEngine. A ton, maybe 100 KD Git repositories actually depend on Qt WebEngine. It's the default HTML rendering engine that's used by KD. So we always want to build the Qt WebEngine when we build Qt6 using kdesrc-build. Let's follow the instruction. Says if you want Qt WebEngine, yes. We should add Qt WebEngine after Qt Web Channel. This. And comment this line out like this. All of the other lines remain unchanged. So the only thing that I did is comment out this line and copy Qt WebEngine between Qt Web Channel and Qt Web View. That's it. Save. Let's close both files and start compiling. So kdesrc-build is available, is present in the tilde/.local/bin directory, which is available in the path environment variable, so we can just start building. We can start doing it like this. So all of the Qt6 modules are considered by kdesrc-build a module set. The module set is named Qt6-set and was defined in here. Module set, Qt6 set. All of these Qt modules. There are some Qt modules which are open source and are not needed by KD or not needed by more than 10 KD Git repositories such as Qt3D. These are not built by default, so you would probably need to add them here if your special KD Git repository actually depends on that additional Qt6 module. Okay, so kdesrc-build and then Qt6 set, middle click paste, and it starts building. It should take 45 minutes to an hour on my computer. It builds the modules in the order that you have seen there, Qt base, etc. In the middle of them, there's Qt WebEngine. So we'll be back once it finishes building all of the Qt6 modules. How it actually works is that a KD directory has been created when we've installed kdesrc-build. A src directory is configured to be the directory where kdesrc-build does git clone for the various Qt6 Git repositories. Starts with Qt base, so this is a complete git clone of Qt base. And then this git repository and this directory tilde/kd/src/qtbase is being built, and the build artifacts reside in this directory tilde/kd/build/qtbase. So in here there are files which are generated by CMake, such as Ninja files, because we're using the Ninja CMake generator. In here there's the results of building using G++, so running the C preprocessor, running G++, generation, source code generation, which is done before actually building. Here are So .a files, package config files, cmake files, everything that's generated by the cmake build machinery resides in here for the Qt Qt6 module ~kd/build/Qtbase. After the module will finish compiling correctly, it's now at 1/4 of the way through compiling Qtbase. Then it will take the resulting files that have been created in this directory and put them in ~kd/usr in the correct directory. So in share some files, in lib some files, etc. We'll be back once kdesrc-build space Qt6-set is finished. Okay, so everything finished compiling and building. So kdesrc-build finished building the kdesrc-build module set Qt6 set. This was the command line. Ended with Qt speech. And let's find Qt WebEngine in here. Okay. Next up, I have found that I can live without this thing. So it says that if I do not run Qt6 set with this cmake option, then Windows system will not build. In my experience, it does build without this feature. So maybe it was an older note. Let's actually prove that. So kdesrc-build and then Windows system. Okay, it built correctly. Next up, the suit order of kdesrc-build actions that we do whenever we install kdesrc-build. So that's kdesrc-build kconfig, which is a KDE framework version 6, only depends on extra cmake modules. If this builds correctly, then there's great chance that everything else will work correctly. Next up, we do an application, kcalc. So kcalc has built correctly. Next up, we're going to run kcalc. kdesrc-build --run kcalc. It starts correctly. Next up, kdesrc-build plasma integration. Because we want to use the same themes in our KDE Plasma that we're running and in the applications that we have just built using kdesrc-build, and we're now running them using kdesrc-build --run. That's 49 mostly KDE Git repositories. Then we're going to run kdesrc-build --run kcalc again, such that we see that indeed kcalc runs with the correct Breeze theme that I use in my KDE Plasma 5 desktop. And we're also going to look at the about dialogs, such that we can see that Qt is the version that we're expecting, which is 6.6, and that it has been built using kdesrc-build, not installed some other way. kdesrc-build finished installing Plasma integration. Next up, we run again kdesrc-build --run kcalc. It using the same theme as my other applications that are installed from Kubuntu 23.10, such as this console and KDE Plasma 5 in general. Okay, let's look at the settings. Is the correct scroll bar theme, correct checkbox theme? Let's look at the versions. Where is it? Components says Qt 6.6.3. and the latest version of KDE frameworks that has not been released yet because we're using KDE Git repositories master branch. Okay. Next up, we want to see that kcalc uses the correct Qt and the correct KDE frameworks. Ctrl-Shift-T. We go ls off and grep kcalc. Okay, so let's look at the results. Let's maximize this thing. And all of the KDE frameworks, application libraries, and all of the other KDE libraries are taken from ~kd/usr/lib, which is what we wanted. So there's KF internationalization, KWidgets add-ons, KGUI add-ons, etc. KCodecs. Then all of the Qt.so files come from the same directory, ~kd/usr/lib. Qt6 svg-so from ~kd/usr/lib. So this is successful. We have built using kdesrc-build Qt6 in the correct directory, which is ~kd/usr. It's being picked correctly up if we build the kcalc using kdesrc-build. So this was it, how to build Qt6 using kdesrc-build. Thank you.